We are back at Knott's Berry Farm today for our weekly update. It has been a busy week. If you've not been following the channel, Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift soft opened for technical rehearsals on Monday. We stood out in the hours to ride that ride. I am completely sunburnt. My head is completely burnt, but I got on it 4 times, so we do have a POV of that, so check that out. Ventura County Fair opened this week. I've been there 3 times last night. My voice is gone. Marshmallow was there. We were there VIP, just inches from him from the stage in the very front row. Check out our Instagram for video from that. But here at Knott's, we've noticed haunt lighting has started going up throughout Ghost Town, so that's really exciting. Scary Farm, just over a month away. Nightmares Revealed, the sold-out preview event, just a couple weeks. So we're going to go walk around the park, check in on the status of MonteZOOMa. It is not open yet. Check in on Crafty's Kitchen, the new chicken restaurant. I believe the walls are still up. And see what else is new here at Knott. See if Xcelerator is running too. Let's go. If you are coming to Knott's to celebrate Founders Day for Ghost Town Alive, it is daily through August 9th. And then the weekend after that, it is Saturdays and Sundays only through August 30th. And that is the same for summer nights as well. So daily through August 9th and Saturdays and Sundays through August 30th. Another Scary Farm update here. We're in front of Origins. Not much to see, but the facade is up. In a few minutes after we grab some food, because I'm really hungry, we're going to go hop on the train and check out that new maze underneath Xcelerator. They've done some work, so we'll see what else has been updated there. It has been so warm with these heat advisories that the Peanuts gang have moved inside the Walter Knott Theater for meet and greet. So let's go. Wow, there's some excited people in the bumper cars. Let's go in and see them. Here is the status of Crafty's Kitchen, chicken and fries. The sign has gone up, and we don't like filming over walls, but you could see at this exact angle that there is some really neat artwork on the wall inside. Crafty Coyote and the characters from... I totally forgot the name of the ride, the Berry Tales. I told you, I was out late last night with Marshmallow, so we do not have an opening date, but we hear it's very, very soon. I know Knott's Network got a video of the associates in their uniforms coming out from backstage heading in for training, so could be any day now. We'll let you know as soon as we hear. Xcelerator is closed still today, but on the website it says it is closed through the 31st, so I don't know if it'll be reopening or they are still waiting on something here, but as of today it is closed. So check the website or check as you come in to see if this ride is open when you visit. And we notice more lights. I know these poles are always here, but I think the lights have been added for Scary Farm for Forsaken Lake. And one of them was actually on. That's what caught our attention to this. They have some axolotl bubble wands here in Fiesta Village. Never seen those before. Here is your MonteZOOMa update from the Fiesta Village side. The wall is still up and the sign is covered. The train is still in the station on the back side of the station, and I do not believe it has moved today, or at least we have not seen it move. Here's our view of MonteZOOMa from the Camp Snoopy side. As we said, the train was on the other side of the station, and it looked like they were working on it today. So no update here. We do not have a confirmed opening date yet, but as you know, we've been here and we will let you know as soon as we hear something. Somehow this is the first time we have seen these. We are inside Virginia's. Says collect all 4 of these cups. $5 with a purchase of $25 or more. Also at Virginia's, up at the cash wrap, they have these new mystery boxes. How much are they? I can't read it without my glasses. $18.99. Here we go, and this is the 5 that you could possibly get. I feel like it's tougher. That is it from Knott's for a quick update. We just walked past the Emporium, which will be turning into the Scary Farm Haunt Store. What is it called? Oh, the Legacy Store. That opens the day after Nightmares Revealed, which is the 17th? 18th. The 18th. 17th. What day is it?
17th is Nightmares, 18th is
17th is Nightmares Revealed. The 18th Scary Farm actually starts. So that store will be opening soon here in the marketplace. I think that was it for the updates today. Kind of a warm day. Ghost Town Alive, I said the Ghost Town Alive. And I think that was it. So if I missed any updates, let us know. As soon as we hear on MonteZOOMa or Crafty's opening, you'll be the first to know as soon as we know. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Follow us on social media. Check out the video from Hollywood Drift, and then also check out our videos from the Ventura County Fair, also Orange County Fair going on right now. So a very, very busy couple weeks, and a busy couple weeks coming up. Also, Midsummer Scream next weekend, so follow along for that. We'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.